Croydex. Think bathrooms. Are you irritated by toilet seats that come loose and keep slipping? What if we could end your frustrations with an easy-to-install seat that always fits and never slips? Made from a hard-wearing and scratch-resistant material, there's a Flexi Fix seat for every toilet. Simply select the shape that matches your pan and benefit from its innovative design features, including a permanent antimicrobial treatment effective against harmful bacteria and coronaviruses, soft close hinges to avoid loud slamming, and a quick release button for easier and more thorough cleaning. To install, simply peel off the protective film, then locate the fixing holes and lightly screw into position. The seat can be installed from the top or bottom depending on your choice of toilet pan. Attach the spacer bar to keep the hinges positioned correctly, then locate the seat. The hinges have collapsible support so you can safely adjust the seat position before locking in place. When ready, apply pressure to the back of the seat and hold for 20 seconds. Fully tighten the bolts to lock into position, then remove the spacer bar. Finally, fit the chrome hinge covers, then click the seat into position and you're done. Flexi Fix toilet seats. Always fit and never slip.